about the pig?
Pig.
How about how about the snake? How about the bird? Bird. What is the sound of the bird? How about the duck? Teacher Che and Casey Channel. How about the goat?
Meh.
How about the dog? How about the cat? How about the pig?
Pig.
How about how about the snake? How about the bird? Bird. What is the sound of the bird? How about the duck? How about the goat?
Meh.
How about the cow?
Moo.
Very good. Nose. Nose. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Point it to the ceiling, point it to the floor. Put it on your mouth. Mouth. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Put it to the ceiling. Put it to the floor. Put it on your face. 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 One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap. Oh my God! Wow! Baby, what color is this?
Orange.
Very good. This one? Very good. This one? This one, baby? What color is this? Yellow. How about this one? This one? This one? Very good. This one? Purple. Very good. This one? Very good. This one? What color is this? It's white. Very good. This one again. What's the color, ani? Gani kan this one. What's the color, ni?
Orange.
Perfect. Very good.
Wow! Congratulations!
Teacher Che and Casey Channel.